If you wanted to use circle to search on the Motorola Moto G56, all you have to do is press and hold your finger on the home button or the navigation bar if you use gestures for navigation instead of buttons. So let's just press and hold your finger on the home button, and after a few seconds you should be able to see this Google screen. And now, as you can read over here, we can circle anywhere or tap anywhere in order to search for something. So let's say I can tap on this part over here in order to try to search for results. Of course, we don't have to do that in the home screen. You can open pretty much anything on your phone and then try to search for some results. So as an example, if I open the Google app, let's use circle to search over here, and let's say I want to find out what is this car over here, then I should be able to get results. And as you can see, it seems that this is Toyota BZ7, so that seems to be fine. Over here we can also go for visual matches, we can learn more about this image, and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much it. Besides that, circle to search also has additional features. More precisely, we can tap on this icon here right next to the search bar in order to play, sing, or hum a song, to search for a song that is being played somewhere right next to you or somewhere in the background. So if there is a song that you don't know the title of, then you can use this feature in order to get the information about the song, so get Google search results. And also you can translate your screen. So if you open circle to search, you should be able to use this button over here in order to translate the screen. You can choose the detected language over here, or you can simply tap on the detected text in order to choose a specific language, and of course we can choose the target language as well, and then you should be able to get the translation. And that's pretty much it. In case circle to search is disabled, it doesn't work for you, we can open settings, then here we're gonna go to gestures, open system navigation, and here we're gonna make sure that it is enabled. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.